Key opinion leaders, or KOLs, are pivotal figures in the medical field, shaping clinical practice, research, and healthcare decision-making. They are the guiding stars, the influencers among medical professionals, whose opinions and insights can steer the course of medical advancements and patient care. KOL engagement, therefore, becomes a critical function within the medical affairs department of pharmaceutical and healthcare companies. It's a dance of intellect, credibility, and influence, where companies seek to build strong relationships with these thought leaders to leverage their expertise and influence. Picture this: you have a revolutionary drug, a potential game changer. But how do you ensure it gets the recognition it deserves? How do you ensure it reaches the patients who need it the most? That's where KOLs come in. Their endorsement can significantly impact product adoption and utilization, but it's not just about product promotion. KOLs provide invaluable insights and advice on various aspects of pharmaceutical products, right from clinical development to regulatory strategy. They're involved in delivering educational programs, speaking at conferences, and participating in advisory boards, sharing their knowledge and influencing the dissemination of medical and scientific information. Moreover, KOLs collaborate with companies on research projects, clinical trials, and real-world evidence studies, helping generate valuable data and validate the efficacy and safety of a company's products. Their advocacy within their professional networks can create a ripple effect, influencing their peers and shaping the broader medical community's perception of a product. However, this engagement isn't a one-way street. It's a mutually beneficial relationship where companies also support KOLs in their research and educational endeavors. It's about establishing a dialogue, a partnership that's built on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. There's also the ethical and regulatory side of things. Companies must ensure that their engagement with KOLs complies with all necessary guidelines, maintaining transparency in financial relationships and disclosing potential conflicts of interest. Engaging with KOLs is not only beneficial, but integral to the success of pharmaceutical and healthcare companies. It's a powerful tool that, when wielded correctly, can lead to improved product development, successful market access, and a positive reputation within the medical community. And ultimately, it's about improving patient care and advancing the field of medicine. The process of KOL engagement begins with the identification and selection of suitable KOLs. This phase is like laying the foundation of a house. It's crucial and requires careful consideration. Medical affairs professionals start by identifying potential KOLs who possess deep expertise in the therapeutic areas relevant to their company's products. This could be anything from oncology to cardiology, infectious diseases to neurology. Influence is another key factor. How well respected is this individual within the medical and scientific community? Do their opinions carry weight? Are they at the forefront of their field, leading the conversation and driving innovation? Credibility is the third pillar. This encompasses not only the KOL's professional standing, but also their integrity and ethical conduct. Prominent physicians, researchers, academic experts, and clinicians all have the potential to be KOLs, but it's their expertise, influence, and credibility that set them apart. Identifying the right KOLs is the first step towards a successful KOL engagement strategy. After identification, the next step is building strong, mutually beneficial relationships with the KOLs. This process is akin to the cultivation of a garden, where ongoing communication, collaboration, and support are the sun, soil, and water that nurture each plant to thrive. Communication is the cornerstone of this process. By maintaining regular, open dialogues with KOLs, medical affairs teams can understand their perspectives, needs, and interests. Collaboration, on the other hand, is the vehicle that drives this relationship forward. Whether it's in the form of research partnerships or joint educational efforts, collaboration provides an opportunity for both parties to contribute their expertise and work towards a common goal. Last but not least, support for KOL's research and educational efforts is paramount. This could involve funding for research projects, providing resources for education initiatives, or simply recognizing and acknowledging their work in the field. In essence, these three elements, communication, collaboration, and support, intertwine to form the roots of a strong, enduring relationship. Strong relationships with KOLs provide the foundation for effective collaboration. KOLs bring immense value through their consultation and advisory services. As the heartbeats of the medical and scientific community, they are the go-to individuals when companies need guidance on various aspects of their products. Imagine a scenario where a pharmaceutical company is developing a groundbreaking drug. The scientific team has a good grasp of the drug's potential, but they need a broader perspective. Enter the key opinion leaders. These are not just any individuals, they are the leading minds in the relevant therapeutic areas. They are the ones who have their fingers on the pulse of the latest research, clinical practices, and regulatory landscapes. What does this mean? It means that they can provide valuable insights into the clinical development of the product. They can share their knowledge on what has worked in the past, what hasn't, and what could be a game changer in the future. They can advise on the best ways to conduct clinical trials, the potential hurdles that may arise, and how best to navigate them. But their role isn't limited to just clinical development. They also provide guidance on regulatory strategy. Navigating the complex world of healthcare regulations can be a daunting task. But with the help of KOLs who are well versed in this realm, companies can develop strategies that ensure compliance while maximizing the product's potential. Another critical area where KOLs lend their expertise is in educational initiatives. They can provide feedback on the development of educational programs, helping to ensure that these initiatives are effective, engaging, and most importantly, beneficial to the healthcare community. This feedback loop between KOLs and pharmaceutical companies is not a one-off interaction. It's an ongoing dialogue, a partnership that continues to evolve and grow with each project. It is a relationship based on mutual respect and a shared goal of improving healthcare outcomes. To sum up, the value of KOLs in consultation and advisory services cannot be overstated. Their insights, their experience, and their advice are invaluable resources. They help to improve the quality of products, they guide the development strategies, and they shape the educational initiatives. Their insights and advice are critical in shaping a company's product strategy. Research collaborations with KOLs can provide valuable data and validate the efficacy and safety of a company's products. In the ever-evolving world of healthcare and pharmaceuticals, the importance of research collaborations cannot be overstated. Particularly when these collaborations involve key opinion leaders or KOLs, they can serve as a powerful catalyst in driving medical innovation forward. These collaborations can take various forms, from joint research projects to clinical trials and real-world evidence studies. Each one of these avenues offers unique opportunities for both the company and the KOLs involved. Why is this so important? Well, when a pharmaceutical company collaborates with a KOL on a research project or a clinical trial, they are tapping into a wealth of knowledge and expertise. The KOLs, often being leaders in their respective fields, bring a depth of understanding and a level of credibility that can significantly enhance the quality of the research. This in turn can lead to the generation of valuable data that can not only validate the efficacy and safety of a company's products, but can also provide insights that might have otherwise been overlooked. Moreover, these collaborations allow for a more comprehensive understanding of the real-world applications and implications of these products. This is particularly true when it comes to real-world evidence studies, which provide a more holistic view of a product's performance outside of the controlled environment of clinical trials. And let's not forget the impact these collaborations have on the KOLs themselves. By engaging in these collaborations, KOLs are often at the forefront of medical and scientific advancements, further solidifying their position as leaders in their field. But perhaps the most significant aspect of these research collaborations is their contribution to the broader medical and scientific community. The knowledge gained, the advancements made, and the data generated all play a vital role in the continual evolution of healthcare and medicine. And so, we see that research collaborations with KOLs are not just about validating a company's products, They're about pushing boundaries, driving innovation, and ultimately contributing to the overall advancement of medical and scientific knowledge. These collaborations not only validate a company's products, but also contribute to the overall advancement of medical and scientific knowledge. The impact of effective KOL engagement is far-reaching. Let's take a moment to recap the key points about KOL engagement. These influential experts, with their deep understanding of therapeutic areas and their credibility within the medical community, are invaluable in shaping the trajectory of a pharmaceutical company's product development. Collaborating with KOLs can provide insights that lead to improved quality and effectiveness of products, ensuring they meet the real needs of patients and healthcare providers. Not only does KOL engagement play a crucial role in product development, but it also paves the way for successful market access. KOLs, with their extensive professional networks, can advocate for a company's products, significantly influencing their adoption and utilization. This endorsement from trusted sources within the medical community can open doors, helping pharmaceutical products reach the markets and patients who need them most. But the impact of KOL engagement isn't just about market success. It's also about building a strong reputation within the medical community. By working closely with KOLs, pharmaceutical companies can establish themselves as credible players, committed to advancing medical knowledge and improving patient care. This reputation can lead to further collaborations, ongoing support from KOLs, and a positive perception within the wider healthcare community, all of which are vital for long-term success. Yet the most profound impact of KOL engagement is perhaps its potential to benefit patients and healthcare systems. By aligning with KOLs, pharmaceutical companies can ensure that they are developing products that truly meet the needs of patients, that their initiatives are informed by the latest medical research, and that they are contributing positively to the healthcare landscape. In essence, KOL engagement is a critical factor in ensuring that pharmaceutical companies stay at the forefront of medical innovation, maintain credibility, and create products that make a real difference in people's lives. Successful KOL engagement ultimately benefits patients and healthcare systems, underscoring its significance in the medical field.